No. Hey guys, today we bought a new boat.
There, it said Toyota.
It's a Toyota?
Yeah.
It's a Toyota.
Let's go.
We're here.
It's so scary because you almost. I'm scared.
Cruise the thing. Did you know, guys? There's actually a toilet there, but there's poop in it. There's poop in it. So that's the island. We have a boat.
Kasi makakay pa na may ano mo na siya mga letter mga siya.
So there's a
Oh
boat.
my god!
Pagkataraling mo sa nakang vanishing.
Boat there.
Oh yeah, this is so deep.
Dito na galing.
Go.
Ito ang nag-ano kasi.
There's a boat right there.
Ah.
And I saw a lot of crusty crabs on the island. There's a lot of crusty crabs. There might be crusty crabs. I can see some.
May ano ba siya na so paano parinta na araw ka.
This is our whole boat.
Nasa niya mga island hopping.
That's the front that we can get the cargo.
I was
Yeah, day tour package. Alam niya kayo niya.
Bye bye. Subscribe.